Mike Burgoyne here, Mexico Real Estate Solutions. We're in the jungle near Akumal today. We've got a one-bedroom standalone house, cabin. In fact, the house is 3 years old or so, and the owners are moving on. Time for the next thing. 2,200 meters of land, private just for you, in a gated residential community with only 8 residents, 8 separate lots here. This is a very cute community. Take a look at the house. Come on in and check out the jungle life in Mexico. Cabin life in the jungle, in fact. This place is turnkey, ready to go. In the jungle near to Akumal. We're only 800 meters from the highway, so easy access. It's a one-bedroom house. Vaulted ceilings. The house is now 3 years old. It sits on a 2,200 meter lot, so you get a great big lot. Nice walk-in shower. Sliding barn door. Gorgeous window. And window everywhere, so this is nice and bright. It's also kind of fresh in here. Anyhow, doesn't take very long to show a one-bedroom house, does it? This is a community, gated community, of only 8 residences. They're all homes that are similar to this, more or less, and generally full-time or half-time type owners. How do you see yourself living here? So this is all your lot. This is your land. Service house here. Birds singing. The monkeys came threw some branches down the ground a little bit earlier today. That's it. Quiet, peaceful jungle life. Here's the road you come up. Only 800 meters or so from the highway. And we've got a gated residential community here. Only 8 homes, 8 standalone lots. The property we're looking at is healthy 2,200 meters. Cute little one-bedroom standalone home. Get security here. There's no HOA. Your property taxes are extremely low, and you're a 10-minute drive to the beach, maybe less. How's jungle living in a cabin sound to you?